Hi there folks, so in this video we will be talking about map and filter in Python, which are built-in functions in Python. That means that you don't have to install them. So what does map? Map applies a function to all the items if in a list. Here's a simple example. So now we have a list from 1 to 5. We have a squared list in which we are storing the output of this loop, which is for number in this given list. We are squaring each number and then we are putting them in this squared list. Right, so let's do so. Let's run the code. Here we have each number of the original list and the second list, in which we are used a for loop to square each element in the items list. Right, so now let's use the map function. Right, so to do so, let's give it a name of squared, which is the same output of this list using for loop. So now we give it a list because map only works with lists. So map, and then we use lambda x. Here we are squaring the numbers in a given list, and then we give it the name of the list, which is items. Right, we are using this list, and then we are printing the square. Now let's run this code, and you can see here the map list using the same gives the same output as the for loop in the first example. Right, so now let's go the filter. So as the name suggests, filter creates a list of elements of which the function returns true. So here an example. So let's just create a list range from -12 to 12. We are again creating a positive variable, which is a list, right, data structure. So we use a for loop from each number in this list. If the number is bigger than 0, we are appending the numbers in this new empty list. Right, let's print this. We have here only from 1 to 11 because we are only taking the value from this range. Great, now let's use the filter function. Right, so to do so, we are using giving it a variable, which is, or we cannot give it a variable, so as you want, positive, and then we are using a list because filter works only with lists, and then we are using map. So lambda x is bigger than 0, and now we are giving it our list, which is numbers, the initial list, the original list. Right, so here let's print positive. Sorry, we are not using map, rather filter. Great, so now we have the same output using a for loop. You can see here that the code is really optimized. Rather than going all this chunk of code, you can just simply write one line short code using the filter and also the map functions. See you in the next video.